Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Techland. Today I'm going to show you how you can design your movie posters a bit better. So this is our primary photo. Now I want to keep a very clean poster. So I'll just simply going to type my film's name and I'm using a font from the font. Then I'm simply going to paste the credits of my film. And obviously you can change the text size however you like. Now imagine the text color is blue and it's locked, and as you can see, the first line of our text isn't that much visible. So what you can do is simply draw a black rectangle and change the blending mode. Sometimes or most of the times when your photo is a bit darker, the text pop up. But this time for me, I made it worse. So what I can do is I'm gonna simply change the black color to white and then change the color of our rectangle to white. Now you can see the photo is much lighter and as if I have add an extra portrait light. So now my texts are more visible and I'm simply gonna finish it with some noise. So that's it, and thank you very much for watching. It was a very quick and easy tutorial. I hope it helped.